In today's video I want to show you guys how you can easily set a sleep timer here on your Grundig TV. Okay, for the first what we can do is that we go here onto the home menu. So click on the home button here, on the menu button, and then we get into this menu here. Then go all the way to the right into the quick settings, and here in the quick settings go on all settings now. So and then go down here on system, and here on system go on power and energy. So and here on power and energy we have like the energy saver. And here we have like a countdown when you are inactive. So when you don't press a button, then the TV turns off after like 4 hours or something. So and what you also can do if you want to get the normal sleep timer, then we have to go on countdown from now. And here we can change the countdown from now to like 60 minutes or something. And this is the normal sleep timer. What we also can try to do is that we here have like scheduled power off and on, and here we can select when the TV is turning on or when the TV turns off. Okay, and this is all you have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.